What up guys, today we're diving deep into a full level of the Hollyland Lark M2 microphone that's been making waves among content creators. We're gonna see everything about range performance, body interference including through walls, noise cancellation features, and also share my thoughts in battery performance and build quality. So the product is here and let's jump in.
So I'm trying to get in a noisy place. Okay, so I'm gonna be walking a bit. Let's start with unboxing. Inside the box, you'll find some papers and stickers so you can customize the Lark M2. There's also this black one so you can hide the Hollyland logo from your microphone. Beside papers, there's two receivers. First one is USB-C and the second one is Lightning. There's also this charging box, which is incredibly lightweight, weighing just around 142 grams or 5.0 ounces, and the build quality is good. Inside the case we have two microphones. Both of them comes already with this magnet so you can put it in your shirt, and another audio receiver. This audio receiver can be used for monitoring your microphone audio, and it can also be plugged into your PC so you can listen to it. It can also be plugged in the camera to use the microphone, but I'll show how that works later. The last part of the box, there's this Hollyland bag. Inside there's two dead cats so you can put in your microphone and prevent wind from blowing into your microphone. So if you're recording outside, this can be very handy. There's also two magnetic clips so you can use it in your microphone and put it in your shirt. Every piece is magnetic so you can choose which to use instead of the default magnet. There is also this charging cable, which is USB-A to USB-C, two magnetic necklace so you can put your microphone, and a 3.5 to 3.5 millimeters cable so you can plug into this receiver and use it in your camera. But if you're using a cell phone, you can just use the USB-C or the USB Lightning receiver.
What stands out is how compact and lightweight the whole system is, perfect for creators who are always on the move, and it looks like a premium product. About connection, it is very simple and straightforward.
Choose one of the receivers that you want to use and plug it in with your recording device. In my case, I'm going to be using a phone, so I'm just going to plug it in. We can see it is using my phone energy to power up the receiver, and now it is turned on. We can see that both of the lights here are flashing, which means that we do not have any microphone turned on. So let's get a microphone out of the case so we can use it. Once we get one microphone out of the case, it's gonna turn the microphone light on, showing it is in default mode. And in the receiver, the first light will stop flashing, meaning we'll have one microphone connected. And if we get the second microphone out of the box, both of the lights will stay still. Both of the microphones has a yellow button on the right side. When you press it, the lights are going to turn green, showing the noise reduction is on. There's the same functionality in the button in the bottom of the receiver. Next, let's talk charging and battery life. The Lark M2 comes with a charging case that powers both the transmitters and the receiver simultaneously. You can use the charging cable, which is USB-C to USB-A, to charge your microphone's box. It plugs USB-C in the box, so you need to charge a USB Type-A, or you can just connect it to your computer. It takes about 1.5 hours to fully charge, and once charged, Hollyland claims you get up to 10 hours of continuous use. And using the box for charging, it's about 40 hours of use.
Okay, now the most weighted part. I'll go outside and let's see how the Lark M2 deals with high pressure. Let's compare connection range, noise space, calm space, interferences, sound quality, and everything. Let's do it.
Okay, so right now I'm in a very open space, and you probably know why, because we're gonna test the distance right here. I'm not right now using the Hollyland Lark M2 microphone. I use an iPhone 15 Pro, and I'm switched to it right now so you can compare. So that's the Hollyland Lark M2's microphone. You guys tell me there in the comments how it looks. Is it much better than the iPhone 15 Pro? I don't know, I cannot hear it right now. And I'm gonna give a round walk a little bit here so you can see the distance. I'm gonna go all the way through the other side of the lake right now, and let's see how it goes. Okay, so I'm gonna be walking a bit and try to pass to the other side of the lake, and you guys go telling me how this sound looks, because we want to test the distance, and I want to go as far as I can. And the Hollyland claims that it goes all the way up to 300 meters, and we're gonna see if that's true or not. I don't know if I'll go exact all the way to 300 meters, but I'm gonna give a walk, and it's probably going good right now. I don't know. I saw that when I turn my back, my body creates an interference barrier, and the sound goes glitchy sometimes. But I think it's probably good right now. Let's see how it goes. I think it's a pretty good distance and it's going good. I'm a bit far right now. How it looks. I think it's doing great, even with a big distance. I'm going behind some trees, and I don't think the audio is interrupting. Maybe just a bit. I think it's going great. Like, I'll put there in the screen how much meters I'm from the camera and the receiver. I'll try to go farther so you can see and try to push it harder. I'll go behind the cars here so I can try to test the interference. How it does when I go behind obstacles. I try to go even farther. I don't know if it's getting, but I think it should be pretty halfway to get sound in the distance I'm at right now. If it's getting the sound from here, this is amazing. I'm pinned in the Google Maps there and showing the screen where I'm at and how long is it from the camera. But I'm definitely going pretty distant, and I don't think if you're creating content from YouTube or TikTok, whatever you think, I don't think you're going that away from the receiver or in the camera. But if it is getting sound from here, it's doing a pretty good job, and you probably don't need to worry about distance and interference because it's gonna handle it pretty well. In summary, I noticed that when I move about 80 meters away from the receiver, especially if I turn my back or there are obstacles in the way, the signal gets a bit glitchy. But honestly, for most creators, this isn't likely to be an issue. Unless you are working on a very specific types of content, you're probably not going to be that far from the receiver anyway. So I'm trying to get in a noisy place so I can test the noise reduction. I don't know if it's enough noisy, this water dropping, but I'll try to test the noise reduction here. When you press the yellow button on the right side of the microphone, you get green both in the microphone and in the receiver. So I would press it right now and you guys tell me the difference. This right now is the noise reduction. It's activated and it's a bit windy also, so it should be able to remove both of the water dropping sound and the windy sound. To wrap it up, the Lark M2 is an impressive microphone, especially when you consider its size, weight, and everything it offers. Whether you're creating content or conducting interviews, the fact that it comes with two microphones makes it a reliable choice for most of the creators. It's a solid microphone system that delivers excellent value for its price, with impressive audio quality and ease of use. Will this mic fit your needs? Drop your thoughts in the comments down below. Don't forget to like, subscribe if you're into this type of content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.